We also have Ashwin Patil. Ashwin, first up, we want your take on the numbers as well. A 7% volume growth and margins have expanded, and it's in fact come slightly above what our poll was looking at. Our poll was working with a number of close to 20%. It's coming at 20.2%. How do you see the numbers? Do you expect any EPS upgrades to come about?
See, the numbers have been quite decent. Nothing great as such, but 7% volume growth we were all knowing. But the margins have come slightly above our expectations. We were expecting close to about 20.1, so they have come at about 20.2%. So that is slightly above our expectations. Also, the stock has rallied a lot in the past, and going forward, with exports expecting to better their previous performance on the back of the quarterly cycle growth that we are seeing in Egypt, and some sort of uptick again in the African markets also. And in the domestic markets, I would say that the 125cc segment going forward should pan out well with their the recently launched CNG bike. That should also pan out well for them in the coming quarters. So that proportion also should improve, and therefore the proportion of the contribution of lower than 125cc should go down, and that may aid margins going forward. So exports and the new bike should, and also the growth in the 125cc segment should aid better margins going forward. So we think that the stock is very much fairly valued, but going forward now we need to listen to the con call which is there in the evening and the outlook that the company is going to give. So based on that, we think that we'll be revisiting our numbers, but nothing great upgradation in the EPS at this point in time, I think.
Yes, actually the stock saw that spike. It has come off from the highs again. As both our experts have said, that numbers are largely in line and the stock already has done very well. It's up 44% this year itself. We have Prakash Diwan joining in as well. Prakash,